Hey guys! For today's video, pupunta kami guys ng Lopez East kasi may bowling center doon. So first time namin na mag-bowling dito guys sa Bacolod. We are so excited. So kasama namin guys si Linlin, tsaka si Dayday. Samahan nyo kami guys and let's find out magkano yung rates doon ng kanilang bowling center. Let's go! Guys, we're here at Lopez East. Buti na lang, nakapark lang kami dito guys sa baba. So, let's go. Pasok na tayo. Diretso tayo sa bowling center. Okay. Saka ta. Guys, akit pa tayo ng stairs. Nasa third floor siya. So guys, ito na yung bowling center. Oh. So guys, ito yung rates nila. 130. Tapos, shoe rental. Hindi talaga mag-rent ng shoes. 30 pesos. A total of 160. And meron din silang billiard tables ito guys. Let's go. Ito yung shoes. Thank you. Guys, this is our bowling center. O, diba? Maraming slots. So, dito kami sa number 11 and 12. Ready na yung shoes namin. Ready na ang shoes. So, magpapalit muna tayo guys ng bowling shoes. Medyo mainit today.
Check ko ng Jordan.
So guys, yung pinapakuha sa amin is yung red lang na ball kasi yun daw yung pinakamagaan. Tapos pa isa-isa lang kami kasi mabalik-balik lang naman siya dito sa machine na to. Tapos na-input na yung ano namin guys, yung scoreboard. Ito pala. Ayan, dito may kita. Na, kota ball. Ha? Ikaw na. Oh.
Ayaw, ana, iwan sa ikaw, ana.
Mura lagi hatod gitu. Ako sabay ako.
Every light in outer space. Soft and low, where the hidden currents flow. Every moment, a practice night.
Gamay.
Something deep and real. Yes, I want to feel. Never reaches. Catching every passing.
Guys, after almost mga 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes din guys. Tapos na yung game namin. So super nakaka-enjoy guys.
Alas 2 kami na
Ito
po.
na kami.
Ako.
Not bad ha, yung 160. Sulit ra.
Ha?
Sulit.
Yeah.
Na-enjoy.
Solid.
Enjoy.
Naka-burn of fats.
Burn fats. So in fairness naman guys, na-enjoy naman namin yung game. Super na-enjoy kami. Yun guys, baka next is maghanap kami ng cafe. Kasi napakainit. Snacks, drinks, or coffee, tsaka merienda na din. Guys, meron pala sila ditong eto, 20 bowling lanes. Malaki yung place nila dito. Tapos yung mga balls, guys. Dito. Tapos may ano sila, may billiard area sila dito. Ka-enjoy din.
While I'm alive, I wanna chase every light in outer space with a cosmic glow inside my head, even everything
After gamitin yung shoes, guys, dito naman nilalagay. Let's go. Resibo yan? Bye! Guys, how's the experience? Lingaw ra? Okay ra?
Super lingaw.
Super na-enjoy.
Super fun.
Yeah. So, kung naghahanap kayo guys ng ibang activities naman for you and your friends, pwede to dito. Bowling center ng Lopez East. Guys, we made up our mind. Ang next stop namin guys is itong Trending Cafe sa TikTok for their matcha. It's called Number 2 Cafe guys. So, andito to siya sa may Burgos Avenue. Let's go. Matcha kayo. Ayun tayo.
Nawinig ko mas. Hello, hasit na.
You're here guys sa Number 2 Cafe. Up and down pala siya. Video, picture pala. Asa man. Guys, nandito kami sa Number 2 Cafe. Parang medyo mainit. Guys, sadly brown out. So, walang available na matcha or coffee. Ay.
Why
Oh. Brown out. Okay, baka mag-ano na lang kami. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo next dadalhin. Guys, ang ending namin, Starbucks. Circumferential. Dito na lang para sure.
Starbucks.
Sure na malamig. Dalaway, dalaway. Waiting for Gapin na to.